same thing. See, the color black. Denture is two sticking out facially. Initial view, which is overjet. So we change the overjet here. Okay, so the yellow, that one will be final. It's the 7-star restoration. And here's the frame design. Just two, just a little bit off. Higher. Okay, good. Similar. Up, down, up. Okay, cool. Here, too long. More cut it. Okay, now this is good. Continuation from the cases, which is SYTON 7-star cases, 24 teeth and extremely thin. Okay, I'm going to show a little bit more detail. Long span pontic, and then same thing here. It's very thin. This is the framework we fabricated. SYTON 7-star chrome covers. You saw the my milling machine. I'm trying to give you the little different view. That's what I do actually. This time, case from the Wisconsin. I think his name, her name's Maurice Yang. So we made a bridge, which is the long span pontic. You see, all long span pontic. Now, whenever we made the zirconia, I don't recommend it because this is a cracking, and then otherwise we have to make the really thick. Usually, what we made it this much thick, even me, I have to make thick because this is a huge problem. Okay, but think about it, we made less than 8/10 millimeter, 7/10 millimeter fabricated. Okay, I'm talking about the framework design with the chrome cover, with the ceramic. It's not involved any composite resin involved here. Okay, so the difference is resin here, so patient can get more stain, ugly stain. The smells really bad. This is a ceramic. Okay. Same as the lower, fabricated, and then here's a little bit long span, but make this really thin too. So we fabricated the frame before, and actually doctors made it model everything. So here is the guidance, which is I show all the times my frame design. This is what I like it. I know the commonly mistake of technicians, their frame design, they made the class 1. I don't like that. I'm trying to make class 2 is better. Why? Because zirconia with the metallic ceramic and color is affected. I don't like that. So fabricate it and then make the great tissue contour supporting the facial contour for lips. Look at this, we made a great tissue color. This is exceptional, and then we provide it as good as possible. As I said, this is world class. I mean, everybody can beat. Put it in their YouTube, they show me, then I can acknowledge it for that. So here's the top and bottom, and here's a procedure which is I show you guys all the time. And then we fabricated 6 units before, and then this, and then we send it out to the doctors actually in patient's mouth. And then doctor took the bite, and then we notify we do is better because bite is off here and there. Okay, so we remade it. The top 6 is from here. Okay, completely mono. Okay, no porcelain layer involved. Okay, excuse me. And then we made a great color involved, and then tissue adaptations, and then made great strength. Okay, and made 2 units. Look at this. Okay, this is an exceptional cases emergent profile. You see, from here to there. Okay, and then this. So now ready to cement. Okay, ready to cement. So I made a lot of cementation procedure using the top denture for zirconia. So you can watch my previous video. That'll be great too. And the lower, same thing. Fabricated 6 unit. It will good longevity and a great retention after tensile strength after cement. So the patient can get the beautiful tensile strength too. Okay, same thing. You see the color blend together, and then we usually put a little clear cement, depends on what opaque color underneath. And then this is the final restorations. You can see. Alright, you see the beautiful translucency. And then that's why I published the YouTube. So I'd like to show you guys. So patient has the option compared to the full mouth top and bottom zirconia. Nowadays everybody can make it, just they paint it. But this is the top of the line patient can get from the Wisconsin to Chicago. After we cement, I can show it a little bit more better. And then you can see our outstanding job. And then not only function and aesthetics to provide this highest aesthetic for this patient. So we made another great job for this lucky patient. So I'm so glad I show you guys is all the procedure with my face. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and then I also appreciate you guys supporting all social media, and then see you there. Thank you. Now cemented the long span cases. Extremely thin, it's like that. This is exceptionally beautiful. It's like that. After cement, look at this, it's a really long span, pontic, and then we finish them up, it's extremely thin. Chrome cover, ceramic, top of the zirconia. Look at this, it contours everything. I'll finalize it. It's beautiful aesthetic, just like extremely thin. Okay. Our color SYTON 7-star case. That's the case. It's finally done. Thanks for watching. And the patient can wear the soft guard for this.